everyone. Welcome. This is Antonella. Today we're going to be talking about building your traffic to your business in 3 easy steps. And if you hang on for a little while, I will also share with you some ninja tricks to make your videos rank. So come on and let's take a trip. So there are 3 easy steps to making money through YouTube online. You're going to start with your YouTube channel. All you need is a Gmail account. I'm not going to go through that today. I'm assuming that you know how to do that, or you can look that up. The first thing that you need, obviously, is a product, because everything starts with what you're selling. It's one of the main reasons why I do recommend affiliate marketing. It's where I started, because I didn't have to create a product, and it's newbie/beginner friendly. You need to be a problem solver. So you need to look at the product and identify what the problems are that this product solves. And you're going to want to show people how using your product will help them. You're going to create a video, and that video is going to show people exactly that. It's going to demonstrate the issues that they're having and how this product helps. I know, video, kind of scary. And then you're going to rinse and repeat. You're going to solve more problems. You're going to post not only 1 video a day, because that's part of those ninja tricks that we're going to get into a little bit. And always keep in mind that Google wants to send people to your video because it keeps them on their platform. Remember, they own YouTube. So why does Google want to send people to your video? Well, we talked about that. They own YouTube. They make money through advertising. So the more people that are on their platform, the more people are going to want to pay money for advertising. They begrudgingly have to rank websites, but they prefer to keep people and send people over to YouTube because, again, they own YouTube. And the really important thing for you to remember is when you give Google what it's looking for, it's going to reward you by putting your videos on the first page. Going to warn you, Google is super smart. They have these incredible algorithms. Don't try to game the system. Don't try to do anything that's not ethical. As long as you play by Google's rules, this is really going to help you. So these are those ninja things. What should you have in your videos? The title of your video. Make sure you say it when you introduce your video. It's one of the reasons why when I introduced this video, I repeated the title of my video. I said, building your traffic to your business in 3 easy steps. Google really likes that. Also, there's closed captioning on these videos. So Google will not only see it in the title of your video, but they will also read it in the closed captioning as it gets transcribed. Make sure that what is in your video is relevant to your title so that it's relevant to the topic. That will keep people watching the video. The first 24 hours is the most important. So it's not just posting it on YouTube. If you do have social accounts and Google and YouTube can see that it's being shared in other social media platforms, that does actually help with the ranking. It's not required, but it does help. Engagement is more important than subscribers. So the more people who comment and that type of thing are really important. Subscribers, just like in every social media platform, everybody makes a big deal about it, but it's really not the most important thing. You want to always provide value. And talking about value, I do have a 10-part series on building your business. You can sign up for it on my website using that URL below. I would love if you would please comment your biggest fear about making YouTube videos. I think I might know. I don't want to be on camera either. So my next video is going to be about making videos without showing your face. And we're going to work on trying not to be this person here, which is me when I have to sit down and make these videos. And if you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and then hit the bell to receive notifications. Till next time, have a great day.